everyone, welcome to fueledbyacrylics. I'm Mohana. So today I'm going to show you around Sylhet and all the puja it holds. So stay with me till the end to find out about how Sylhet celebrates Durga Puja. And as you can see, I'm wearing this pretty pink sari with flowers on my head and this pearl necklace. So I'm all dressed up to celebrate this occasion. So stay with me and find out about this, how this video goes on. I don't know, I'll stop mumbling. I'll just stop talking and let's see how everything goes on. I'm going with two of my friends and my cousin. So we are all girls team and we are going around. So we'll be going around Sylhet. So I'll try to show you parts of things inside Sylhet. There will be a lot of crowd, and I don't know if I can show you everything, but I'll try my best. Okay.
বেচারি পেন্ডেমিকে পরে পয়লা বাড়াইছে বুঝেন না কই বাড়াইলাম
কি seen me cover almost all the pujas. I've tried to cover the popular sites where the main attraction of Sylhet. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and comment your thoughts down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Shardiyo Shubhechha.